So, you're young, you're thinking about your future, but you look at your bank account and think, investing? With what money? If that sounds like you, then you are in exactly the right place. We're going to break down how you can start building wealth in the stock market with whatever you have right now. Let's do this.
Okay, let's just call it what it is. The biggest thing holding most people back is feeling like you don't have enough cash. It's that voice in your head that says, I don't have thousands of dollars just sitting around, so what's the point? And you know what? That's a totally fair thought. It feels like a massive wall to climb. But here's the thing, you have a secret weapon, a superpower that older, richer investors would kill for. And it's not money, it's time. You have decades ahead of you. And that time lets you harness the most powerful force in all of finance, compound growth. That's just a fancy way of saying your money starts making its own money and it snowballs like crazy over the years. Check this out. Over $1 million. That number might look like a fantasy, but it is the real mathematical potential of investing just $50 a month over your career. $50. That's it. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme, it's the magic of compounding. It's the goal, and it's totally within reach. So, to get to that $1 million goal, we gotta start with square one, the absolute basics. So what in the world is a stock anyway? Let's unpack this core idea, because it's simpler than you think. Honestly, it's this simple. A stock is a tiny slice of a company, a share of ownership. So when you buy a share of a company, let's say Apple or Nike, you're not just gambling on their success. You are literally becoming a part owner of that business. When they win, you win, because the value of your little slice goes up. You'll hear people throw around stock market and stock exchange like they're the same thing. They're not. Here's the easiest way to think about it. The stock market is the whole game of baseball. It's everything. The stock exchange, like the New York Stock Exchange, is the actual stadium where the game is played. It's just the place where the buying and selling happens. All right, you've got the basic concept. Now let's fill up your investor toolkit. We're gonna arm you with a few key terms so you can walk into this world feeling confident and knowing what you're talking about. Let's run through these real quick. A dividend? That's like a thank you gift for the company. A little piece of their profits paid directly to you. Capital gains? That's the profit you make when you sell a stock for more than you bought it for. A brokerage is just the app or website you use to buy and sell, like Robinhood or Fidelity. And now for the most important one for us, an index fund or ETF. Just think of it as a pre-made basket of stocks. Instead of buying one company, you buy one thing that holds tiny pieces of hundreds of companies. It is, without a doubt, the best way to start. Okay, deep breath. Let's talk about the part that scares everyone, the crazy ups and downs. The market can feel like a total roller coaster, and that feeling is what keeps so many people from ever starting. But if you understand what's happening, you can learn to stay calm and just play the long game. You're gonna hear about two big moods in the market. A bull market is when everyone's happy, confident, and prices are generally going up. A bear market is the opposite. People are scared, prices are dropping, and the economy might be struggling. Here's the most important part. Both of them are completely normal. They are an expected part of the cycle. You have to expect both. And that brings us to the single most important mindset you can have. All the daily headlines, the panicky news reports, the ups and downs, that's just noise. It's short-term chatter. Your job as a long-term investor is to ignore it. Zoom out. Look at the chart over 10, 20, 40 years. The long-term trend has always gone up. Focus on the trend, not the noise. This says it all, doesn't it? If you treat this like a sprint, you're gonna panic at the first sign of trouble and sell at the worst possible time. But if you see it as a marathon, you know there will be tough hills and moments you feel like quitting, but you just keep putting one foot in front of the other, month after month, year after year. That's how you win. Okay, enough theory. We've talked about the what and the why. Now for the how. This is it. Your simple, no excuses, 3-step action plan to actually get this done. Not next year, not next week, today. It really is this simple. Number 1, start now. Seriously, every single day you wait is a day of that compounding magic you can never get back. 2, diversify simply. Don't waste your time trying to be a genius stock picker, just buy a low-cost index fund. Done. And number 3, the secret sauce. Automate everything. Set up a transfer for every payday. It takes your emotions and your forgetfulness out of the picture completely. And guess what? Modern technology makes this plan easier than ever. Fractional shares mean you can buy a slice of Amazon or Google for as little as $1. Low-cost index funds, that's your one-click diversification tool. And automatic investing is the feature that lets you set it and forget it. guaranteeing you stick to the plan. These tools were built for you. So if you remember just one thing, one single idea from everything we've talked about, please let it be this. Trying to guess the perfect day to buy or sell, it's a fool's game. Nobody can do it consistently. The real secret is just being in the game. It is always, always about time in the market, not timing the market. Let's end with this. You know that old saying, the best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago? Well, yeah, no kidding, but the second best time is right now. You can't change the past, but you have total control over what you do today. Your financial future starts with one small step. So the only real question left is, are you ready to take it?